I think she likes what I'm doing. Hi guys, this is Sakshi Chaturvedi and today I'm recreating this 6 eye alien makeup look. So for that I have tied up my hair and I'm using sugar stick foundation to set my eyebrow so that I have a clean nice canvas for the look. You can also use glow stick, but I'm using stick foundation. It's kind of a hack, so yeah, it works pretty good. My second step is I'm going to set my eyebrow with the setting powder, and I'm going to link all the products in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. So I'm going in with the dab motion over the foundation where I have applied so that it sets everything nicely. Now I'm dusting off all the extra powder and I'm again repeating the same step. I'm applying my stick foundation over it again and then I'll set it up again. So basically I'm doing it repeating the same step because I want it to be very nice and tidy. I don't want any messy things to happen while I do my face art. Now I'm applying the same foundation on my face. Now finally I'm creating the final base for the face art. Okay, so this is the weirdest thing about me. I use my finger to blend my foundation. I just don't like using brush or beauty blender to blend my foundation. I've been doing this for quite a long time, so kind of a pro in it. I know my face looks super weird right now, but trust the process. So my next step is I'm setting my face with this loose powder by Sugar. Now I'm contouring my face using Sugar contour palette and I'll go over my forehead, cheekbone area and jaw area. Okay, now the fun part starts. So I'm taking red Snazaroo face paint and I'm creating red graphic eyeliner look. So I have spilled the red color as the face paint is water activated, so it got a little bit here and there. So no need to worry, I'm fixing it all with brush and I've applied a little foundation over it and yeah, it's easy. Okay, so now I'm taking a flat brush and again a Sugar eyeshadow palette, dipping my brush in black eyeshadow and drawing an eye shadow palette by Huda Beauty and giving depth to my eyes. Okay, so now I'm drawing the same graphic eyeliner on my fake eye which I have drawn on my actual eye. This is the weirdest sentence, but I know you get it. Now I'm using the same flat brush and same black eyeshadow to give more depth to the eye I have drawn on my forehead, and I'm just trying to make it more realistic and match to my real eye. Now I'm taking white face paint and filling it inside my drawn eye. Now I'm taking black face paint and I am drawing my lens of the eye. Now I'm using white face paint and adding details to the lens. I'm done with both the eyes and this looks crazy. Now I am just putting two dots for the guide to create my next pair of the eye. Using black eyeshadow, I'm drawing another pair of eyes like I did before. I'm just repeating the same steps as I did before, so it's just a fast forward version of it. Okay, so I'm almost done with my makeup and I'm just using brown shade from this palette and I'm just giving more dimension to the look. Now I'm taking black eyeshadow and dusting off the excess and I'm creating a black tail kind of a thing. I don't know what is it called. Please let me know in the comment section. I'm loving the results. I'm just taking white face paint on my hand. I'm adding little more details to the look. I'm so sorry my hand is blocking the frame. Now I am applying this beautiful nude lipstick from Myglamm. I'll mention the lip shade in the description box. Finally, I am on the final step of applying eyelashes. So I have taken 6 eyelashes because I have 6 eyes now. Yeah guys, so this is the final result and I hope you like it. Please hit the like button, subscribe. This was my very first YouTube video and I hope you like it. I'll keep creating more videos if you support me. Thank you. Bye.